everyone! This week, the student affairs professional I spoke with was Brett Merritt. He is the Associate Registrar on the Gainesville campus of the University of North Georgia. He supervises 3 of my coworkers, however, he is also in charge of the entire registrar's office on the Gainesville campus. Because there are 5 campuses at the University of North Georgia, the breakdown of the 3 registrar's offices is a little different. There is the head registrar, and then under him there are 2 associate registrars and 4 assistant registrars, as well as the rest of the workers in my office, spread between the 5 campuses. I had a great conversation in person with Brett on Monday, September 23rd in his office. We talked for about 30 minutes about him being the associate registrar and the responsibility he feels that he has for all the employees in the registrar's office on the Gainesville campus. He really loves his job and his position, and actually got his master's in higher education, which I didn't know and was surprised to learn. He said the most challenging part of being a supervisor is making the right decisions all the time, which isn't always easy. If a student is upset, he has to figure out what the best way to handle the situation is and how to diffuse the situation. He said sometimes this means making exceptions for students, which he hates to do. However, he said that making exceptions is always difficult because he worries students will come back and say that they've been helped in this way before and ask why he can't do the same thing again. The word of wisdom he gave to me was to always stick to my ethics and follow what I believe is the best policy for a particular situation. I definitely agree with this and always try my hardest to stand my ground while following what I believe in. I really enjoyed working on this assignment and my conversation that I got to have with Brett. I don't get to speak to him much on a personal level, but it was a lot of fun. I'm glad we were able to do this assignment and get some first-hand tips and tricks.